Hey everyone, it's Andy, and today I'm going to show you how to create points on a map using ArcGIS Pro. The map we have here shows a boundary for Egmont National Park in New Zealand. We're going to add a few points to show different entrances to the park. The points we will add need to be contained within a feature class, so we'll start by creating a new point feature class in the project geodatabase. We'll provide a name and an alias. And now we're going to add two attribute fields. The first field will be our entrance name, and the second field will be our description. We'll be able to enter information for these fields when we create the features in a little bit. Next, let's take a look at our spatial reference, which is already appropriate for our study area. And now we can click Finish to create the feature class. Now let's add the feature class to our scene here. There are not any points in the feature class yet, but before we add them, let's change the symbology so they can easily be located. We'll use this cone symbol here, and then modify the properties by changing the color and size. Because all the points we create will have the same description of park entrance, let's edit the template so that this attribute field populates automatically. We have a few bookmarks for several areas of interest. Egmont Road will be our first point. The bookmark gives us a good idea where the entrance is, but let's zoom in further. Holding down the C key, I can navigate to the area and add the point. Alright, now let's populate the entrance name field that we set up earlier. There's another location we will add on Pembroke Road. Again, we'll zoom in close using the C key and then add the feature. We'll add the entrance name and then apply it. Both of these features now appear in our attribute table of the feature class. Now let's look at the park from another perspective. As you can see, both of the park entrances we added are now visible. If you'd like to give this tutorial a try, head over to the ArcGIS Pro help and follow along with more detailed steps.